Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dive deep into the sea of products so you don't have to drown in decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two GPS drones that promise to make your aerial dreams come true. On the left, we have the Holystone HS720, and on the right, the TENSSENX GPS drone. Buckle up because this is going to be a high-flying showdown. Let's talk money, honey. The Holystone HS720 comes in at $249, while the TENSSENX is a bit more wallet-friendly at $169. If you're budget-conscious, the TENSSENX might already have you reaching for your credit card. However, it's important to consider what each drone offers beyond the price tag. Now on to the camera quality. Holystone boasts a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, ensuring your footage is smooth and clear. Reviewers love the quality of the videos and photos, saying it's good for the price point. On the other hand, the TENSSENX features a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. Users appreciate the high-quality images and easy connectivity to a mobile app. Both drones promise crisp, high-res captures, but the TENSSENX has received praise for being particularly user-friendly. Next up, GPS and intelligent flight. Holystone promises reliable performance with GPS auto-return, follow-me mode, and custom flight paths. Reviewers highlight its stability and ease of use in various wind conditions. TENSSENX also offers GPS auto-return and intelligent flight modes, including gesture control and a one-key return feature. Users have found it easy to operate with a self-guided tutorial. Both drones are equipped with smart features, but the TENSSENX is noted for its beginner-friendly approach. Both drones come with two batteries, providing a total flight time of around 52 minutes. Reviewers for both products appreciate the extended flight time, which allows for more exploration and fun. There's no clear winner here, as both drones offer similar performance in this category. Holystone has a foldable design and a carrying case, making it easy to take on the go. Reviewers mention its good build quality and compact size. TENSSENX also folds up neatly and comes with a carrying case, plus it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration is needed. Users find it compact and convenient for travel. Both drones are portable, but the TENSSENX's lightweight design gives it a slight edge in convenience. Holystone keeps it simple with one key start, stop, emergency stop, altitude hold, and an electric fence. Reviewers praise its ease of use and stability. TENSSENX features altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. Users have found it easy to use and fun, even noting that the self-guided tutorial is a big help. Both drones are beginner-friendly, but the TENSSENX seems to be especially appreciated for its intuitive controls. Both the Holystone HS720 and the TENSSENX GPS drone have received positive reviews for their performance and features. Holystone is praised for its reliability and stability, making it a great option for those looking for a solid and dependable drone. TENSSENX, on the other hand, is highlighted for its affordability, user-friendly features, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners. So there you have it, folks. Holystone HS720 and TENSSENX GPS drone. Two aerial titans battling it out for your affection. If you're looking for a higher price tag and some fancy features, Holystone might be your go-to. But if you want to keep your piggy bank happy while still capturing those epic shots, TENSSENX is the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd take to the skies. Until next time, keep flying high and bye for now. Product links are in the description.